Get ready to watch this old family barn finally get all the junk removed, swept, and power washed as we go about this video finally cleaning it up. All back, no legs. All right, guys, let me give you a quick little update. Whoa. They're not that far into the video yet. They don't get to see that. They're still on the cleaning part. They don't get to see the cars and stuff. They got to wait. So why don't you go ahead and like and subscribe so you can see those videos when they come out. And time lapse that too. Try to clean this up a little more. This is a huge mess that's still waiting. Then there's all this. And I might try to organize some of this. We'll see. We finally got it all cleaned out. All this junk is gone. It's on the trailer right here. Got a sweep, and then we're gonna start power washing. Yeah, get all this stuff picked up. Should be exciting. We're gonna start with the garage door, get all that power cleaned, and work our way back. All right, guys, we finally got the trailer pulled out of here. Now we're just gonna sweep it all up one more time. We've already put some chemicals on this, try to clean it up. We're gonna sweep it all up one more time, and then we're gonna power wash it. So I'm gonna set the time lapse, and you'll see how that goes. And just like that, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please do like and subscribe. In the next video, we're going to paint the floor so that we can start moving things in and actually get to building.